Hey y'all. So I'm doing something really exciting. I'm getting ready to go to, sorry, I'm in my bathroom, guys. I just took a shower, went to the gym, took a shower, and I'm on my way to get my pedicure in a little bit. I actually got to run out, but I wanted to open this vlog because this one is going to be a good one. We're going on vacation. My husband is turning 40, so we are taking a group of 16 of us and we're going to Cabo. So it's gonna be a vibe. So I'm really excited. I have like a whole itinerary planned and everything, all that good stuff. So speaking of my itinerary, I downloaded this template from Etsy and it was wonderful. It came with a contents page where it kind of gave you everything that you should expect inside. First page was the overview page where I kind of broke down the day and everything we would be doing for the 3 nights and 4 days. Then we had the accommodations page, which gave us arrival time, special amenities, and I even inserted a picture of the villa. And on our second day, you had the option to either do excursions or spa in-house services. So I gave the menus and prices for both. Definitely helped everybody plan. And this page was my favorite, which is the attire page, what helped with packing. So I gave everybody what to expect and helped them pack for the trip. I had planned for a couple themes, so I thought that page was very important. Lastly, the final page was thanking everyone for joining us, and I give this 10 out of 10. I think this is great when planning trips for a group trip, so definitely recommend. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me. It's 3 nights, 4 days. Like I said, we're in it's a group of 16. We have a big Airbnb, so we're super, super, super excited. Happy New Year, by the way, if I didn't tell you guys already, but Happy New Year. You know, I'm praying that everyone has a great New Year. Leave the stress and everything that's heavy in 2022. I feel like my screen is dirty. Anyway, leave the stress and everything in 2022. I hope you walk into what God has planned for you in 2023. So yeah, one of my prayers is consistency. Yeah, I know I struggle, but I got a lot going on. So I just hope that I could be more dedicated and getting more videos out to you. But yeah, that's my goal. So anyway, I just took a shower. I'm going to run out, run my last minute errands. I'll show you guys later what my suitcase looks like. So I have we're checking 2 bags, and one of my bags, luggage bags, are full with like gifts for my group. Yeah, mainly gifts, and then like decorative things that I needed to get off of Amazon because everyone out there was charging a crazy amount. So to do like simple decor. So I got some things like that. So I have a suitcase that has like things like that, and then we are sharing a suitcase, and then probably like carry-ons or like my big bag, like my Telfar, and I'm sure he'll bring a book bag. So yeah, my mom is staying with the kids. So that should be fun, my mom and dad. So yeah, I'm gonna go head out and finish up some last minute things, and then I'll try to show you guys what's going on, but if not, I'll see y'all at the airport, or on my way to the airport at least. So let me go ahead and get started before I slow myself down. I look a little rough, you know what I'm saying, but it's all good. I actually got a gel manicure. The nails, they have a long story behind them. Basically, long story short, I got a nail infection, and then I had to take my UV gel tips off, and my nails have been struggling ever since. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got going on here. So, okay. I got these wonderful packs from Amazon, and like I said, we're staying 3 nights and 4 days. But we got this suitcase, and we got that suitcase that has, you know, goodies in them. So these are my husband's shoes. We're gonna have to figure out a way for these not to get smushed. And I have another pack of these, but I figured we make room for my husband's shoes because he's like, don't crease my Ferragamos or what have you. And this man, and then we have another one here. This is my home. Is it home? What's this called? Yeah, away. I would say home away. My away luggage, and we got our little tags on it. We ordered it. It's a really good size luggage. It could get a lot, but we got our monogram on here. You know, we treated ourselves. It's a little suitcase. But I have our shoes on this side. You could put a laptop in here. I think there's like an outer area too, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. Anyway, it's like that hard shell. And then I added a pack here so we can add... Granted, I could put his shoes over here and just... No. Yeah, it's a little wide, so I figured we'd leave a little space over here. It also comes with this bag. I don't know what kind of bag this is. Maybe a toiletry one? I'm not sure. Because it has a laundry bag right here. So it's not that. But I'll take it. We love bags. And I got this pack. I think it had 4 or 5 in it in Target. And like I said, I have one over there. So, yeah. You know, we're an overpacking family, but my husband really got it bad this time around. He usually does, but sheesh. But it's his 40th, so we're going to let it slide. So, yeah. I'm just packing. Oh, there's no lighting. I don't have the best of lighting, but my husband went to go get my kids with my mom and dad to do like a dry run with them. We'll probably go get my son in a little bit, and I'll probably shower and head out right after or right before bedtime. So I'll like shower the kids, make sure they ate, and then head out because we have an early flight. The flight is at 8 o'clock or 8:15 or something like that. So we probably have to leave a little bit before 5 a.m. So we're going to sleep more south, closer to the airport. So yeah, y'all. That's what I'm doing. But yeah, I got my pedicure and I got my manicure. It's just so funny because I haven't had a manicure in so long. I got gel. And my nails are just so short. But I guess it's better than they were a month ago. So yeah. Alright, let me go ahead and finish packing. I'm pretty packed. I'm just like reorganizing and adjusting at this point. All right. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all. Remember the Telfar sale? I don't know, a month or so ago. I got this cool olivey green color. It's so cute. It's literally been sitting in the box, so I just opened it up. And that's gonna be like my travel carry-on. I have some, you know, of my makeup in here. But yeah, I just took it out the box, but it's really cute. I like the color. It's a little different than I expected, which I really like actually. Overrides. Easy. Birthday always tight. Happy birthday. It's a long 6 hours. We are beat. I took a melatonin because I couldn't do it. I wasn't going to do it. Oh man, well, let's get through this horrendous. Hopefully it's not that bad. Custom situation.
The heat is not that bad because I got a sweatsuit on.
Yeah. You have a decent shirt underneath?
Channel.
It's slow growing. It's good. This is my cousin Martine. Y'all say hi, Martine. Ooh, the liquor. Look at this. Oh, liquor. Ooh. Customs is a breeze. No, did you? No, we have some stuff at the house. Customs is a breeze, y'all. It wasn't bad at all. It was probably like 20 minutes. So now we're gonna get our suitcases and we have to wait for the rest of the crew, but we're all arriving around the same time. So shouldn't be too bad. Go drink outside. I need a coffee. When I tell you I need a coffee? Did they stop at the liquor store? What are you looking for?
I'm like, look at the bar.
Hey girl! Right? Listen, we need a bar. Why are they standing in the doorway? Oh, he's getting say hi to the camera, Ralph.
What's up, what up, what up?
That's my cousin Ralph. We're about to order. Alright. When I'm drinking, I'm playing games, I definitely need a coffee. Ooh, let me go over there. No straws for real? I wonder if they have straws over there.
There's just no straws here. Nobody got straws at all. Like at all?
Right here in the airport now. Maybe in the downtown.
Straws? Like the
Downtown. Right here now.
damn.
Thank you.
Mannequin challenge and everything.
That looks like real coconut wine.
No, it's not. It's called like mayonnaise.
Birthday, DJ!
At least cook the bill.
That makes it so creepy. I'm like, what the fuck? What's this animal? I can't. Hi.
No, he's in the phone, right? Hi. How are you?
Go look. Your phone.
Good. And I? Alright, so I need him to take me to the, upstairs. Alright, y'all. Well, some people in their room, so I don't want to be intrusive. But again, let me just show you the situation. Okay, apparently the owner of the villa stays in that, so it's locked off. So this is mine. Over here, this is our shower, sink situation, the toilet. And then we have a closet where we kind of already opened some stuff. I actually have to make goodie bags. Let me prop y'all up. Okay, y'all see me? Not really. So there's a situation with this. Alright, so I actually have to make goodie bags, which I have all the stuff in one of the suitcases. So I'm gonna put them together really quick. I have headache, like a pounding headache. It's probably from fatigue. And yeah, so I'm going to put those goodie bags together, probably close the door, get some little privacy, set them up in here, close this closet door, and then go from there. One thing I will say, the villa is really beautiful. I could always put the link for the Airbnb in there, but there are 2 rooms that are off the house that are subpar in comparison to the ones we have within the home. They're like, basically when you come up the driveway, they're not far, like 10-second walking, but it's not in the mainstay, and there are little discrepancies around that, but we're good. We're good, but I would say that, like, if you really have a big group, maybe if you need those rooms, maybe not, because it'll cause an issue. But if you don't need those rooms, then definitely I would recommend staying here. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna put together the bags. Let me do that. Also, I got like this cheesecloth runner. I'm trying to do a boho situation. We have my husband's birthday dinner tonight, which is like a nude earth tone dress code theme. So I got this. I got like some boho placemats. All of this is on Amazon. I got some like not burlap, but they're cotton looking cloth napkins. I have some pampas grass in here. I actually didn't order it because, oh no, these are the eucalyptus that we can put in the rings. And then we just have some like wooden napkin holders here, the napkin rings. I didn't open it because I didn't have time. They literally came the day before. Ooh! I will drop it. But they're cute. Nice and simple. So I thought that would look really nice with that. And yeah. So I'll probably start decorating the table. This is a pampas grass, so I'm just gonna add like a little eucalyptus in it and a napkin to just give it like some greenery and call that a day. But let me get to these bags, y'all. All right, y'all hear that music? You're partying outside. All right, so I quickly did and my girlfriends came up and helped me with, I got this little pampas grass. I don't know, am I supposed to let this air out? I feel like I should. I'll probably put it outside on the balcony there. And then I have this cloth runner. It's like a terracotta color. It's coming off brighter in there. And I had these little fake eucalyptus, so I put in there. And then over here, I have the placemat. So we're gonna figure it out. But I think that's good. I think that's good for now. Just to make it look decent, you know? So I'm gonna go open this up and I'm gonna make the goodie bag. So let me, where'd it go? Here it go. All right, let me go make the goodie bag. Was Lincoln's pictures too big? I mean, his clothes, his shirt? Alright, so for the ladies, I've been already stuffing, but I got these toiletry bags with their initials engraved in there. A hangover kit, shot glasses that say DJ established 1983, age to perfection. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And then I got tequila shots. Do you see the tequila box over there? Can you bring it in here? So all I do is I just put this in here into thank you bags. Now for the ladies, the thank you bags are a little small, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. And for the men, I essentially, come on, focus. Uh-oh. There we go. For the men, I have, it's on near the TV, it's a box. Unless I brought it, yeah. And then I have these engraved for the men toiletry bags as well. But they have a slightly different hangover kit. Just a little more manly, and then here's the tequila. Supposedly that's a good one. So yeah, I'm just making the bags right now while everyone is chilling. All right, y'all. So here is the final product. I got them all set up. Put little stuff in here. I had the crinkly paper that I put at the bottom. So it worked. The men's bags definitely worked better, but it worked. It worked. So I'm all done. I put our tequila. I didn't make bags for ourselves, of course. So I put our tequila bottles to the side. And now we got like a free suitcase. I'm gonna need one of these for sure right now because I'm not gonna even hold you. I'm feeling a little sniffly and congested. So I definitely need that vitamin C in there. But yeah, let me show y'all my dress. So like I said, it's earth tones. This is like copper terracotta-ish. My husband's pants are kind of the same. So yeah, y'all, I'm sweating at this point. I'm hot. I know I need to take a shower because it's 6:48 and dinner is at 8:30. So I didn't really even get time to like chill or whatever, but that's fine because I came to do, you know, setup and stuff like that. So I'll enjoy myself after. I definitely had like a cup and a half of coffee because I'm tired. It's been a long day, y'all. I'm sleeping in tomorrow. They better not even speak my name. They better not even speak my name. So yeah. So, all right. I'm all set in here. I took a little bit, but we're good. I'm just going to organize a little bit and then, yeah, go shower and get ready. Get cute for dinner. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready. There's no full body mirror in here. So, ooh, this is me, my dress. And we're about to go downstairs. See everybody. You done? Look at this. Hold on.
No.
Y'all not taking shots? No, you guys look good.
Did you pour down already?
Hey y'all, sorry, I'm recording. Hey Woo. All right. Which one? I got
Shots? Shots? Anybody shots?
These are you.
Shots?
Oh, you got new cups over there. Okay. There's names on the woo. Wendy. Thank you. I'm sitting next to Bessie.
Man, where you at?
Happy birthday, boy, 40.
There we go.
Cheers to DJ's 40th birthday.
Cheers to you guys.
Thank you everyone for coming
For coming out.
and for supporting my boo. Cheers, click, 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 click. Love you. Come on, Bessie, show me what you got. Cause we definitely.
I have no business taking any more shots.
Where's that from?
SB. Is everyone here?
Not really. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Whoa. Happy birthday to you. Wow. I could wake up to this every day. Y'all, I lost my sense. Y'all, I lost my voice. This always happens. And I always get sick and cough. I feel like I can talk to y'all. I'm gonna have breakfast and find some honey and tea and try not to talk too much. Yeah. Okay, so again, I'm trying with the voice. I asked our chef to get honey and some tea for me. That sound rough. We're about to go to do excursions. My husband never ziplined, so we're ziplining for the first time together. I'm actually really afraid of heights. The older I get, like, I don't really mess with heights like that. I look tired. But we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for him for his 40th. He's like, you don't have to do it, and I'm like, I'm gonna do it. But I just hope I don't have a panic attack because I really don't like heights anymore. But okay, so I won't be able to take my camera because you have to lock them in, and we didn't get a GoPro. I don't know why we plan to, but I'm gonna try to vlog on my phone as much as I can because you low-key have to lock up your phone too. So, anywho, let me run out because the people who pick you up kind of tripping. So, I'll go do that right now. We snuck a phone. Okay. Hey y'all, we're back from the excursion. We're about to have dinner by the pool. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm in a pink and orange dress. Got it off of Amazon. And the excursion was so great. I'm gonna enter a clip. But I enjoyed it. Definitely enjoyed it. Thanks, Omar. Very cute.
Sausage.
Yeah, but what's that, Papa?
Pork?
That's Cabo?
No, this is
Pastor?
That's Pastor?
no. Or
It's the last day in Cabo. Full day. Let me go ahead and open the blinds. Maybe I'll just open this one. Heavy's over there. We're about to go downstairs. And
Good morning, yeah?
good morning.
Oh, yeah. You're outside.
Yeah, up early. Hey. I'm recording you guys. Say good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning. You say good morning. Say good morning, Kurt. Morning.
Morning.
We out to the boat, 80s party.
What up?
Besties. Hey. We're on our way to the marina. We have a yacht. And everybody's dressed in 80s. For my boo. My 80s baby. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's go this way. Are you guys ready to have fun?
Yes.
The day is beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Hey.
It's beautiful out. It's a perfect time to come here.
Right?
To be honest.
January?
It's not too
Let me
hot,
find
it
out
ain't-
January is the perfect month.
Yeah. What up? First Prince of Cabo right here.
Yeah.
As y'all come up.
Hey y'all. Hey. Hey, hello. Hola. What's down here?
Bedrooms.
Everything is ready for you to have a lot of fun and celebrate the birthday boy.
Oh, snap. Oh, this is where I'm sitting. Forget that.
Yeah, I definitely.
Forget that. Rafael.
What's up with the Rabudai? Yo, le empieza a Rabudai, yo.
Rabodai.
Yeah.
can he do?
No, me and you. Hold on.
Oh.
Dad. Right there, brother and sister. Wendy. I think we need another one. Taking off. Oh, it feels so nice. On the way to the private beach. So nice. Wow. It's cold. Watch out, watch out, watch out. The man I got there.
Babe, you gotta come? I know.
I'm vlogging on my phone because I don't know where I put my camera. Oh, it's downstairs. But we're off to dinner. Today was such an amazing day. Like today was just an amazing day. Like the yacht, relaxing, enjoying our time together, eating, drinking was just great. My husband was so happy and that made me so content. So yeah, we're gonna go get ready for dinner. It's coming up, it's like approaching the time where we have to leave. So I'm actually running on time and I'm not packed. So I gotta wake up early and pack or either come back and pack. And yeah, things everywhere. So sorry for the graininess. I'm on my phone, but I'll go find my camera now.
I appreciate all y'all.
Yeah.
Love you, bro. What the food?
All right, y'all. Well, I semi have my voice back, but it's not really back. But last night was such a vibe. Everything was so great. People are exhausted. I think we wore them out. But we're going to head to the airport now. And in about like 45 minutes and head out. So anyway, thank you guys for coming along with us to Cabo. And please like, subscribe, share the video. I definitely recommend you coming out to Cabo. I recommend you coming out with a group like of friends. It's just definitely a vibe. So thanks guys. See you in my next video.